and ensure consistent quality. So from the word, automate means it is the use of technology. For example, like in online submission assignment. Philosophy approximately seeking basic processes through small incremental changes. Kaizen means convenience.
Ito, na-explain naman to kanina. So, next na lang ko na-explain naman.
Benefits of waste reduction. Increase productivity and output. Lower operational costs. Improve quality and consistency of product services. Cost savings, packaging, and manufacturing. So by combining the waste reduction and process optimization, it is the key to improve sustainability and profitability in various industries. You're working on making your processes more efficient by also cutting down waste. So, ang waste optimization, waste reduction is like you focus on that, on cutting down unnecessary waste, and then the process optimization is like it helps you how to improve a task or a goal to make it more efficient and effective.
What is the difference of lean management and Six Sigma since they are both reducing waste? So what's the difference in the two? What is the difference of lean management and Six Sigma since they are both reducing waste? Their difference.
Ito nga na mo mga ano. So, wala ka balik sa akin.
Lean management.
Ano ba? Pagkakaiba. Sige, explain ako ang Six Sigma.
Sige, ako siya. Okay, explain siya na ko ang lean management. So, when we say lean management, di ba, it is minimizing waste and maximizing value for the customer. So, the process is they reduce the time spent on non-value added tasks. So, kumbaga sila yung lean management is gina-reduce na ang waste sa isa pa product or sa isa pa service.
Six Sigma, which is bakit gusto i-improve ko na like nakay ko mo tapos gusto na siya maging perfect. So like diba, last week perfect na siya. Tapos pag madili na po. Tapos pagkasunod na po dili niya for inconsistent good. Tapos by using Six Sigma, it is to improve siya, ma-improve yung mga quality nila and makita mo yung mga kung saan mali para ma-improve din mo na nila kung aso ka guys struggle, kung aso yung mga mali na para ma-eliminate ang mga paradigms. So, in short, ang lean management
Nag-focus siya sa customer. Sa customer satisfaction. While ang Six Sigma is naka-focus siya sa waste sa isa ka
management is efficiency. Kasi nag-reduce na wasted time, effort, while the Six Sigma is nag-focus siya sa improving
Very simple. Six Sigma. I'm not saying improving the quality of the data, while the lean management increases the efficiency and reduce the waste of the data.
But as a whole siya, as a whole. Ay, very good yun. As in, may natunan sa
Yun
mga
nga.
report.
Basically nga, yung lean management, nakapokus siya sa process ng production nito. So, yung Six Sigma naman, nakapokus naman siya